This is the MotoverDAY Ride Day, and this is the whip competition. Some of these whips going down are insane. It's the 85s on track now. I'm going to be judging it with Lee Dunham and Rich Tagger from VIP Motocross.
I just want to have fun.
I see you've been practicing your whips lately.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? We're going to get some big ones out?
Probably not.
Go on, just why? Just rip it.
Yeah,
Let's go! Are you feeling good for this competition?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. I've won it 2 times in a row, so.
Oh, bit of confidence now. Well, I'm one of the judges, so I'll be keeping an eye on you. Go on, go send it. But are we going to go a bit bigger? Like, can we figure it out?
Maybe.
I'll try. Yeah? I think you just need to get that lean angle a little bit.
Yeah, it's not. It's a hard job to get a angle on.
It is. Go on, go send it. That was disgusting. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Olivia's in the final. Those two there, Jeddah Green and Charlie Richmond. This is tense. It's close this year. Charlie's absolutely bricking it because he doesn't know whether he's got it, Lauren. I can see the smirk on his face. What do you think?
I'm going to give it my hardest.
Mate, that little look back, that was it. We're going, it's going down, mate. It's going down. Come on, send it. Oh, God! He arced that in, didn't he? Oh, that was nice. Different though, isn't it? That's more of a scrub. Whoa! Charlie's obviously the clear winner.
Not just the whip, but the look back.
I think it's Alfie and Olivia, isn't it? Yeah, we happy with that? We think Charlie is 3-0. Charlie's got the win. Alfie, you is in second. Olivia, mate, 3-0. How do you feel about this historic moment?
Good, I just put everything into it, all I had.
Mate,
everything into it.
Sick. You carved it all the way from the top.
Yeah.
And
I can see my own line.
Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Sick, 3-0.
Yeah, what's the slogan around there? More than just a bike cleaner, it's a helmet cleaner as well.
We've got the adults out now for best whip at the MotoverDAY Ride Day. Styler! That was so the wrong way. Whoa! Is he down? Or is he? Did he stay? Whoa! Well, I think that's got to get it for that, hasn't it? Lee, you reckon we got to give him that, haven't we? Yeah, 1, 2, yeah, right, yeah. That was mad. You went the wrong, like that. You're doing it the opposite way. Yeah, we've got a winner. Second and third, just because I don't think you were going with the track. You were just doing it the opposite way, but it was still sick. Well done. Well done. Well done. 100 quid for you, man. This is the pro whip competition at the MotoverDAY Ride Day. We saw the amateurs, we saw the kids. These are going to be bigger, better and louder. And let's see how they do it.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
We've got a busy whip competition for the pros. Normally there's like, what, last few years like 5 or 6? This is stacked. Billy, mate, that wasn't that good. Are we going to go a bit bigger?
Yeah, that was a practice run, mate.
I need you to impress me.
I will.
Let's go, mate.
It's just a bit small and the landing's quite flat, but should be good. It'll be a good challenge.
Mate, this boy's done AMA Supercross. He knows how to hit a jump. Oh, Clarky following Tommy in with an opposite whip. Charlie Hayman coming behind. Who we got now? Luke Burton. Luke's been good at this. Oh, goes big with a look back as well. Conrad Muse, 426. Nice. This is going to be so difficult. I think I've got Tommy, Charlie Hayman, Luke Burton, Conrad and Billy. Are we ready? Yeah.
Dave, and ask him if he's ready.
Dave.
Full.
Dave doesn't need to know. No.
Oh man, no, this ain't. No one's gonna.
Is this not up? Is this not up Dave's street?
His words were, "Under no circumstances do you take part in the whip contest."
Well, Conrad forfeited his position to Albini, but decided at the last minute he wants to be in it. So we've got 6 people now. Conrad Muse, Walbini, Luke Burton, Tommy Searle, Billy Askew and Charlie Hayman. Let's go. Right, Walbini's up. Store 114, gas. Oh, very nice indeed. Got Billy Askew next on the GTCI Revo Kawasaki. God, he's got some sauce, hasn't he, that kid? Charlie Hayman up next on the True 7 Honda. Oh, turn down. And the... Conrad! On he didn't even want to do it, and he may have just won it. Tommy, it was a bit vanilla that, wasn't it?
For me, it's Billy.
Yeah.
For me, Billy's got it.
Luke was there nearly as well, wasn't he? It was close.
Leading up to it, like to me, Luke had it, but then
I think
right
so.
then
I think
Billy
it was the
just
first
took
one.
it. Yeah.
I pushed the limits of the edge of the jump.
The legs come back just a little bit, didn't they? I just seen the panic of the heels come in.
Oh mate, that's the biggest it's getting for me.
The winner is Billy Askew. In second place, we had Luke Burton. And then third place was Charlie Hayman.
He done really well. It's good. Yeah, I think he deserved the win. Well done, Bill. And yeah, I think he should thank me in his speech.
Yeah, thanks.
Life coach.
Tom.
It's close.
Ed's track, that was probably one of the, that's got a good nice jump to practice on.
Well, yeah, that's going to be a mad ego thing problem you're going to start developing, isn't it?
No, I ain't got that much of an ego.
No, it's all good, mate. No, that was sick.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Like, it looked like it was a little bit greasy.
Yeah, Luke was going good to be fair. I thought he might have won.
It was close.
Yeah.
It was really close. Your first jump was better, and then I think Luke just started getting a bit frightened.
Yeah.
The face. There we are. Billy Askew taking a win.